Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Bigin CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you export or download your contacts from your Bigin CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download or export your contacts from Bigin anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common to switch over to different service providers, but you want to be sure to download all of your contacts. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Is handled here in your Bigin CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Bigin account, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, if you want to download your contacts, there's actually two different ways you can do it. The first and the easiest way is you go here to contacts, this button that looks like the person on the left side. Okay, once you do that, you see all the contacts that you have in Bigin. You can see I just have a few. And in order to download your list, you're going to click right here on the left, this box. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to see it's going to highlight all of your contacts. And in order to export or download this list, you're going to click here on more. Once you click on more, you're going to click here on export. Okay, once you do that, this box is going to pop up here on the right, and then you want to choose which fields you want to download. So for me, I'm going to choose all fields, and then you want to click on export. Okay, now it's going to start exporting your contacts. So that's the first way you can export your contacts in Bigin. The second way you can do that is up here on the top left, click on the gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left in gray. You want to click here on data administration. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see a few options here on the top. Actually, it looks like 6 options, but you want to click here export. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see any kind of exports, but here at the top, they let you know you can export up to 200,000 records. So to download your contacts, click on start and export here on the top right in green. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and download your contacts. Here in module, go ahead and click on that drop down menu, and you want to look for contacts. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose which contacts. So you can choose from all of these filters, but I'm going to click here my contacts, and then here on fields, I'm going to go ahead and choose all fields, and then same thing, click on export down here on the bottom right. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes, and you can see the contacts are now being downloaded, and they're going to be available here. And as you can see, it refreshed as we were talking. So next, what you want to do is click on the download button, and then it's going to be downloaded to your desktop. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to download or export your contacts from your Bigin CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.